Hey guys, pretty exciting day today. Our new 3500 Ram truck has just arrived from the factory and is all cleaned up and ready to look. Feel sorry for old Blue, but really eager to see this new truck. So Anne's away right now. She went and took off on a photography trip to go try to photograph the spirit bears, the rare white bears on the BC coast, and she's away for about a week. We didn't think we'd get the truck in this week, but you know, Murphy's Law, of course, it arrives. So I have to wait for her to do the paperwork to get it and take it. But I'm gonna go take a look at it anyway. So let's go. Old Blue's hung in there for a few months like a champ, running even on a bad cylinder. Good old truck. Not much longer. Go. Bill Howich in Campbell River. That's the dealership we bought the truck. And there it is, there it is. Big Blue 2. Sold to very nice people. Wow. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around today. It's really kind of miserable weather today. We come back with Anne and actually buy it. I'll probably get the salesman to go through all the features for us, so I'll video that. It's supposed to be a sunny day, but I just had to come see it. So we got the 8-foot box. Just love the color. Factory hitch. Bed liner. Whew. Feels like it's an aluminum tailgate, nice and light. There we go. Sweet. Nice big back seat. So we went to the very Spartan interior. I guess in the States they call us a tradesman. Up here it's an ST. No carpeting or anything. Just the vinyl seats, very minimalistic. Saves you a lot of money actually, you're not getting all the bells and whistles. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice. Smells like a new car. Well, there you go. Sneak peek. Have to wait a few more days for the whole shebang. We popped the hood, started everything. Awesome.